Hey everyone, here I'm going to show you how to give super thanks on YouTube and also give you a few thoughts on what sort of channels you may want to drop it on where it would make a huge difference. So what is super thanks? Well, it's a way of sending a specific one-off monetary amount directly to any YouTube channel that's eligible and has activated it. If it's active on a channel and you're signed into YouTube, you'll see a thanks button just below the main content on the bar that has the like, the dislike and all those other buttons on it. So if you look at the bar on this video, you should see it down there as it's active on my channel. But again, you need to be signed into YouTube to see it. If you click that button, you'll get more info and you can select how much money you want to give. So here I'm showing you what it shows about my channel based on my viewing location in the UK. You can see you don't have to give much. You can pick £2, £5, £10 or £50 or the equivalent in your country's currency. If you go ahead with super thanks, the bulk of that contribution goes directly to that channel and YouTube take a small processing fee cut. As a little thanks, you get a comment added to the video so the channel owner knows you gave something directly to the channel. I would expect most channels to give you a kind reply to that comment too, so it's a way of getting the content creator to notice you too. Hey, if you drop a super thanks on my channel, I will certainly give you a really nice reply back to thank you. So do all channels have super thanks? No, there are a few criteria that need to be met by the channel to have it. Firstly, the channel needs to be monetized, which means it's hit the minimum viewer numbers for subscribers, views, and it's passed the YouTube approval process, which the YouTube channel creator has to go through and activate. Secondly, the system is only supported in certain countries. Here's the current list. Thirdly, the channel can't be a music channel under SRAV. So why might you want to give a super thanks and who to? Well, I think it's a really interesting tool to support smaller channels that are getting there but really aren't as big as the main channels. So what counts as a smaller channel? Well, I think anything under 20,000 subscribers can be classed as a smaller channel, or any channel that's getting less than 2 million video views a month. Above that, then you get into the realms of being able to make a pretty reasonable income from advertising on your videos. So I hope that's helped explain how to give super thanks and also where your sort of donation would make a big difference. If it did, give us a thumbs up please, that's much appreciated. Any comments welcome, and awesome would be a super thanks if you so feel the urge. Like you can see, my channel is getting there, but it's my size channel would make a huge difference from those sort of super thanks. So I hope that's useful too, and thanks so much for watching.